See you later, mate. Going on TV. So hey guys, it is Tuesday. I did a little bit yesterday just in the studio. You'll see what I got up to. I created 4 videos for the channel. Trend reports, again, I'm delving back into them. Some TikTok hair trend videos, some really bang on trend haircut videos as well, which are salon floor friendly. And then today's Tuesday, so welcome to Tuesday. It's just going to dusk now. The sun is just setting, and I'm going to be heading off to the hotel now to High Wycombe. I'm going to be staying there for 2 nights. We're filming a TV show called 7 Day Expert. It's a pilot, so it may go live, it may not, but I can get a copy and put on YouTube for you guys. I just want to take you guys, I want to do a lot more vlogging, because then I'm back in the salon on Friday, Saturday, which I'll show you a little bit about what I get up to there. Busy days because I'm away so much this week, and then I'm flying Sunday morning. I might travel down Saturday night to meet Ian Davies. We're Emirates. Yeah, we're going to head there possibly Saturday. He's just checking hotels now, just on the phone to him, so I'm going to ring him in the car when I get in there and just travelling down. So I'll probably reconvene with you guys when I get to the hotel, because it'll be getting dark soon. But yeah, this week is going to be crazy, so I want to take you along for the journey, so I hope you enjoy it. That is day 1 done. I was going to do a little bit of filming this morning, but it was just a bit early, to be honest. So I just, got my kit together and just went. I did film some of the stuff on my phone, so you'll be able to see. I'll overlay it now while I'm talking, so you can see a bit of the set and that. But I'll be taking my camera tomorrow, so you get to see more of day 2 on set. Great day, really good team. The equipment they're using is amazing for filming and everything like that. The presenter of it is Johnny Nelson. I'll put his Instagram here. He does like ITV, Sky Sports, Channel 5, did CBeebies. We've just been out for dinner at the Kino Lounges group, and then we'll just come back here just to chill, and then get ready for tomorrow. So we've got day 2 of the day, but giving you a roundup of what happened today. I'll try and get more footage tomorrow of it all, but it's all very like a closed set, and I can't really put anything out there until they've filmed it and edited it and everything like that. So this is just a bit of a catch-up video, to be honest, of what's going on. But today I had 3 contestants, and then there's 7 Day Experts. So some of them learned hairdressing in 7 days, some haven't. Some are like apprentices, like I've got in my salon, and I had to do an interview process with them. And the questions like, what are you most passionate about in the industry? What's your favourite haircut to do in the salon? What's your favourite way of styling hair? And then their response was supposed to give me a bit of an idea of who the 7 dayers are and who is the one who's been in the salon the longest. And then the second challenge I set them was to cut a 1-length bob, and there was a lot of sort of diagonal lines in there, graduation in some, but overall they were all right. I mean, if they had 2 hours to do it, and there was one which was really good, no graduation and stuff like that. It was still a little bit shorter at the front, a bit more like a European bob or a French bob. Can't remember which one goes which way. And then the other 2 were short at the front, but when it come back to the back, the layers on top were shorter than the underneath, so there was like graduation there. So that was a bit that I could sort of, I don't know whose they were, I don't know who cut them, but tomorrow they're going to be colouring people. So these are on a mannequin today. They're going to be colouring people tomorrow and highlighting, and then at the end of it, I, as the salon owner, have to say, right, from everything you've done for the past couple of days, I would like to employ so and so. So it's pretty cool, like a game show. Back in the salon on Friday, Saturday, and then Saturday night now I'm going down to Heathrow to meet Ian, and we're going to do Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday together. So yeah, really looking forward to it. We're going to get so much content. I've got ideas for every model. We've got 8 models now, I think 8 or 9, and we're going to film every application, every colour service, every haircut. We're going to do a live as well. Yeah, loads. So yeah, I'm going to get to bed and I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. So today is day 2 of the 7-day expert, and I'm just about to leave the hotel, meet Johnny down at reception, and then we're going to head over to the set, green room, get our makeup done. And it is the last day, and then we'll get it, well, they're going to spend 2 months editing it. We'll probably get a good copy of it end of November time, so I don't know what I can do with that. I don't know if I can put it on here, or I'm going to put it on the TVs in the salon so the clients can see what I've been up to. But yeah, if I can bring as much here as possible, I'm going to try and film a load today as well. How are we feeling, Johnny?
I'm feeling like I've just picked up my script for the first time. I don't really know what I'm doing, but otherwise, I'm feeling pretty good.
Good. Oh yeah, here is the mannequins from yesterday. The lighting in here is amazing. Oh no, you're getting it.
Okay.
So I've just come out for a coffee, and the guys I've set them a challenge, which is 10 foils to create like a beachy sort of sun-kissed look. But the things I'm going to be looking for is placement, clean of sections, and then how tight to the route that we're going to go. But yeah, the 7-day expert, I've got an inkling who the apprentice is, and I'll tell you a bit more in probably another video once I've done it all and I can leak some stuff. But yeah, it's a really good experience. The camera crew and everything like that is really cool. The whole team is really good. The contestants seem to be really good. So yeah, it's just one thing ticked off my list to be in like a TV pilot show, and then see what else comes of it. But yeah, I was just sitting in the green room talking to the makeup artists, and the amount that they have to do and stuff like that, and like building up a following as such. And I was just talking about YouTube, like it is probably the thing to do right now if you're looking at building up a social media following, or network event, or networking with people, trying to build up a roster of people you can contact to work with. So yeah, but yeah, it's amazing how nobody seems to do it in the industry. It's just like vloggers and fitness influencers and stuff like that. But in our industry, there isn't many. And what we were talking about was how people come off Love Island and then become like a makeup artist or a presenter. Whereas with no degree or anything, no training, they do it because of platform. And that's the biggest thing, platform. But yeah, I think we're going to be breaking for lunch in a minute. Although I think we're coming around the back of the salon where we're working here. So I'm going to make my way back to the green room. But this like little quaint bit, I mean, the weather was like bluer yesterday. It was colder. It's a little bit warmer today, but still not summer. It is autumn, winter right now. So yeah, really enjoying it. And this week is going to be crazy busy. I can't wait to get back into the salon. But yeah, and then the trip at the weekend. It's got a great camera though.
Oh, it's not as good as the one that got nicked.
We'll Photoshop them into it.
Finally, where is this actually?
That's the one part.
It's rolling.
Everyone would have got something. It's rolling.
Then, woo! Matilda. We're all having fun.
I'm guessing that's the music.
Cool. Here you go.
Thank you. No worries. Perfect. Somehow we need to get everyone in a photo.